This 2019 Enclave, Buick Enclave, probably some of the Chevrolets are the same. The battery is pretty difficult to change out. I want to show you some tricks that are hard to find out, and I didn't see them in the other videos I looked at. So first I want to show you the old battery that came out already. One thing is there's a plug in the back right here, and I assume that's to plug acid from coming in. It came with a plug in this hole. The new battery did not have a plug, so check that out and see if you need to put that plug out of that hole into your new battery, which I did. Okay, so another trick with these batteries is there's a lip all the way around. If you see this little open slot right here, two tabs connect on from the wiring harness that I'm going to show you. Two tabs there, and two tabs over here, one here and one here, about the middle of the battery and fourth of the way, and then two tabs over here on this side. I think one here and one here. I'll show you those tabs on this wiring harness. So it's so tricky you can't figure out how to get them loose, but it's those tabs. But to get to the tabs, you really need to take a 13 millimeter and go right down in here and loosen this hold down mechanism bolt and loosen it up pretty good, but don't take it all the way out because it's hard to get back in. If you do have to get it back in, there's an open area on the front of this metal battery box that will get you there. Okay, so this is your hardest thing. You got to take this loose. It's here. You got to take that loose, and it's one bolt right here. So just take that bolt out and shift this around to here. And you need to take this bolt off this strap. I never really quite figured out how to get the other end out, so I lifted it up high enough to get the old battery out like this. So all that should bolt right back in without any problem. The trick is, the most difficult trick is this part here. Okay, so the tabs I was talking about, you loosen the battery up enough to slide it, wiggle it a little bit, like this, and then you will pull these two tabs. Now I've got the tabs loose. Start on this side and take these two tabs loose, then go to the back, take the two tabs off the back, and then you can work the tabs off of this end, hopefully. Lift the battery up, and you might have to slide a screwdriver into those tabs to get them loose. There's one there and one there. Let me lift that up and show you those tabs. Okay, there's your two tabs here on the side. Here's your two tabs down here on the back, and your two tabs on this side over here. So those tabs are the trickiest thing. You wonder what in the world's going on. I loosened this bolt up thinking that loosened this one up thinking it was bolted down. It's just those 6 tabs holding this unit in place. Okay, so I'm just going to show you that quick. Of course, this goes back on. If you're looking at this is for a mechanic that knows a little bit about how to put things together and has changed out some batteries before. Taking this off is not a big problem. Take the negative off first before the positive, of course. Loosen that up. It's got one bolt on this end of this strap. Sorry about the brevity of this video, but it shows some things that some of the other videos I think don't show. And I'm not going to spend a lot of time on it because this is for the more experienced mechanic. Okay, like and subscribe if you will, and hope this helps somebody. Have a great day.